Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. I swear, every time I'm in here, that boy thinks he has to come in and drink up all the water. Let's get our breakfast going. We've got that much pork, and it's not a whole lot, so I am actually going to do what I did today. I like having that little bit of butter in there, and I'm doing this because, if you recall, I used to have yogurt every day.
That's not nice.
What? And Siri just told me I'm not nice. Anyway, so instead of the yogurt, I'm just putting in a partial pat of butter. I think that'll taste nummy num. Hang on, there's a little bit right here in this section. I got to get this off. Okay, so we've got that there. So that's our pork and eggs and a little wedge of cheese. That's going to be our breakfast. I've already got my apple. When Mom and I went to that place yesterday, this is the Fuji apple. Look how big that thing is. It's green though, so that's kind of interesting. So we'll see how it tastes tomorrow. Stick that in there. What I have is, remember whenever I did my lazy veggie making, and this is the frozen veggies and some ground beef. Well, we're going to do it up like this. I know I'm going to put one of these cheeses in there. Put that little fella in there. And then when I microwave it to work, it'll melt up a little bit. Let's see. And that's better. I don't need that. So I'll put that cheese in there. I'll zero it out. I'm going to put 113 grams of this marinara. Okay. Watch this. I didn't lick it. Hope y'all are seeing that. And then I'm going to put some of my harissa on there. This is some spicy stuff. Give it a little kick.
Not sure I understand.
Corn flabbit lady, you are about to get on my nerves. Okay, done. Done. I'm going to put in some salt. I'll put in some Greek seasoning. Let's put in a little bit of, just a teeny tiny bit of rosemary. Not too much. I don't really like that texture. It's awfully big. If I could grind it up, it might not be so bad. Put a little sage. A little bit of thyme, because we all got nothing but time. All right. Now, that's going to be that. That over here. Now that goes back up here. That can go there. So I'll put my lid on it. So this is my lazy veggies. So if y'all go back and in any of my videos in the old, as I was losing weight, I did that all the time. Put my meat and veggies in here. And I zhuzhed it up with whatever I was zhuzhing it up with. So let's put this in my lunchbox here. And because I'm sad I don't get to take a salad, I'm going to take me a coleslaw. And I can't say I'm not going to, I'm not getting to. I just don't need a great big old honking salad. I mean, let's face it, I don't need a big old honking salad. So we're going to take us some of my coleslaw that I like making up. We're going to use these new tomatoes. They're called Campari tomatoes. I don't know if that's a brand or if that's another name for tomato. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. I forgot I still have this one from Mom. Mom or Leslie, one of the two. And I got these from Leslie at work. I'll set them there. All right, so let's go in and cut us up some tomatoes. I don't think tomatoes traditionally go in a coleslaw. But you know what? It's my coleslaw, and I'm going to make it how I like it. And you do the same. If you like your coleslaw with or without tomatoes, you do what feels best for you. Because it is all about them taste buds. I say it's all about them taste, about that taste. No, I don't know what else I could put in there. No something. All about that taste, about that taste. No, I don't know. What could we say instead of, because in the song it's all about that bass, no treble. But I don't know what we could use instead of treble. It's all about that taste, about that taste. No trouble. It's all about that taste, about that taste. No trouble. All right, some black pepper, just a smidge. We don't want to get too carried away. Then we're going to put in some poppy seeds. And then some sesame seeds. Okay. Now, we're going to zero it out. We're going to put in some of our G. Hughes coleslaw. That's, what is it? How many grams? 30 grams. Okay. Check it out. I didn't lick it. I did not do it. These 3 little piddly tomatoes, I'm putting them in there anyway. They need to go somewhere. Now, put that. Come on, fella. There we go. So, we've got our breakfast, our lunch with an apple. And we're going to get our... I used a spoon today at work, so I need to take an extra spoon with me to replenish it. Do I need a fork? I'll take a fork just in case. Sometimes you just don't know what you need until you need it, and then it's too late. Got my coffee here. I made up. So I'll put that in here. And how about that? That's pretty doggone fast meal prep, ain't it, y'all? For me, that's pretty fast. Usually this part takes 17, 20 minutes. Then the rest of it is just my lunch and supper. But tonight, I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to cut it off really quick. Okay, bye. It's breakfast time, and I'm hungry. I'm hungry, hungry hippo. Dang it, I always turn you on before I remember to salt it. Hang on. Got some salt. And a little bit of Creole seasoning. And there we go. And this time it's too hot to take a bite. So that's what I'm having. So what I did today was I put the egg in there for 1.5 minutes with the butter in it. And I microwaved that. And then I added the ground pork and cheese for like 30 minutes. So it was all a total of 2 minutes. But I did 1.5 minutes with the butter just in case it made it too slimy. But that was dumb. But good. Okay, bye. It's lunchtime. And we have our, I don't know, Italian stuff. Italian mess. Let's call it Italian mess. I don't even remember what I was on it. But yesterday, Terry, you did a good job. And our coleslaw, our tomato coleslaw. Let's get a little taste of that in here. Let's see what we think. Let me tell y'all. You know, I said something in my video about how do you all pronounce caramel. I did a test. I did kind of a little poll here at work. And I didn't ask everybody, but 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 6, 4, 7. 27 people say caramel. 6 people say caramel. And 2 people said four people said they switch. Some people say they say caramel, and sometimes they say caramel. So here's the poll of today at work. I said, how do you pronounce pecan? Do you pronounce it pecan, like pecan, or do you pronounce it pecan? So far, I'm just doing a poll in the computer to all the people in my building. There's like 50 people in my building. So far, 32 say pecan and 5 say pecan. How do you all say it? How do you all say the word pecan or pecan? And where are you from? So put that in the comments. Do you say pecan and where you're from, or pecan and where you're from? Okay, bye. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't enjoy your food and that you have to eat boring food and gross food and that you can't enjoy your meal time, because let me tell you, I enjoy my meal time. I just ate my lunch and I'm so happy and I feel so full and I feel so good. It's my favorite time of the day. Just sitting down and eating my breakfast and then eating my lunch and then going home and eating supper. It's my favorite time of the day. I don't care what nobody says. You can lose weight and you can enjoy what you're eating. And if you're not, then you need to message me or eat some of the stuff I eat, because it's amazing. Okay, I've nuked it for 2 minutes, but I'm going to put it back in the microwave. We're going to add some Thai sweet chili sauce. Let's do it. You know, if you're counting macros, this is how I made this. And let me tell you, if you are watching in my old videos, you will see I ate this a lot. I'd be on a kick of where I was eating this 5-6 days a week sometimes. So we're going to add some Thai sweet chili sauce. And you measure whatever you want based on how many macros it is. So, oh, that's the one that I haven't opened yet. Let's try this again. This is the one I have opened it. And you see, okay, do you want 5? Do you want 10? However many macros you want, or however much you want to plug into your thing is how much you add. And then zero it out and you add whatever you want to add the next thing. This is coconut aminos. You can use soy sauce. You can use whatever your little heart desires. I'm going to finish that off. But then you go into your app. Now I really need to see if I can take a picture of that app. It's called Carnivore. But there's another name to it. Whenever I searched it, I shared it down in the comment section the other day. If you have trouble finding that app, give me a shout. And then you zero it again, and then you say, gee, I want some, my boyfriend G. Hughes stir fry sauce. I want some of my boyfriend's stuff, so we're going to put some of his stuff up in there. And then you might say, I want some premium fish sauce. And so it's kind of like a soy sauce, kind of, but it's kind of salty. But you might say, well, I want 5 grams or 7 grams, I don't know. And then you might say to yourself, you know what? I have some G. Hughes sesame ginger salad dressing. And I don't want a salad, but maybe I want some G. Hughes this stuff. If I can get it open. Okay, so you might say, I got it open now, so let's add some of it just to give a little something or another. Yep, and then you might say, hey, I want some toasted sesame oil. Maybe you have 93% ground beef, and you're like, I think I want to add a little fat. And you might say, I might want to add a little bit of this. Ooh, Nelly, I'm going to regret it. It's 130 calories, but just a splash. There we go. There we go. Not even a full 15. All right. And then you might say to yourself, I think I want some sesame seeds just to make it feel like I'm fancy. Because, you know, sesame seeds is fancy. If you didn't know that, now you do. Now you have been educated. Sesame seeds, that's fancy stuff. So then you might say, all right, well, there we go. Got it all ready. Got it all plugged into my Carnivore app. But I need to microwave it a little bit longer. And I'll be right back. Let me tell you a secret. I went to Hobby Lobby today and I bought some fall decor. Now, I ain't gonna show it in this video because this video is already 16, 17 minutes long. But I'll show it in the next video. Ha ha ha. You're gonna have to wait and see. Okay, let's try this. Hang on. Y'all, look at this hair. I've been out in the wind. It's going shoot and foop and foop. It's going all different kinds of directions. But that's all right. It's all right. It's okay. Yeah, let's see what we think. Okay, I'm going to pause and I'll get back to you. That's too hot to take a bite of. Hold on. Okay. That toasted sesame oil really kicks it up a notch. Now, if you can't afford the calories for it, don't worry about it, don't add it. But if you have an extra 100 calories to blow, it really does help. So that, and my fruit, and that supper. All right, I'm gonna go put up my decorations. You'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.